Hello everyone. Today we are working on our rear brakes for a 2020 BMW 330i. We are doing the rear brakes and got my tools together. I'm gonna go ahead and start on removing the lug nuts. We're gonna loosen lug nuts first, then we'll jack it up and take off the tire and go from there. Alright, as you can see, I removed the tire and then I'm removing these two bolts right here. They are 14 millimeter. I'm going to go ahead and screw them. Second one is right here. There's one. And here's the second one. There we go. Now, I'm going to try to move this caliper. Sorry guys, I only have one hand over here. Okay. Now, let me show you what you're going to do. First, you're going to have to unhook these hoses right here. This one, that one, and you need to unplug this right here. You see this tab right here? You push on it and pull up. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Alright. Let me put the phone down for a second. And do it real quick. As I said, you just push on that tab and wiggle. There you go. Got it off. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these hoses. Okay. Show you something. If these hoses are hard to remove, spray them with WD-40. That way you don't crack them or nothing. Make sure they're safe. I'm gonna go ahead and get some WD-40. Alright, here we go. Make it easy. Makes it easy to remove them. Okay, let's set the phone down. Alright, so I'm in here. Here's one. Here's two. Alright, now I have my caliper. Okay. Now, before you do anything, you're gonna have to remove these two bolts with Allen wrench. There's this one right here, and there's this one. You're gonna use your Allen wrench. Okay. This is the way to press the piston. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove these, and I'm gonna show you what to do next. Alright guys, as you can see, I removed the two bolts that was holding this. It was like this, as I showed you. Remove the two bolts, and make sure you don't lose that seal right there, the O-ring. Make sure you take it off slowly and easy. Okay, I'm gonna set this on the side. And this right here, you either get that tool right there. I think it's number 5, 12. It has to be 12 point. See, like 12 teeth right there. But since I don't have that, I'm gonna get a screwdriver. A flat screwdriver right there that fits right in between them. You see it's turning? You're gonna turn it clockwise all the way in, until it can't turn it anymore. and then we'll go from the other side to push the piston. So clockwise, keep turning until you stop, until it stops. Can't turn anymore. There you go. It stopped right there. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and push on the piston all the way in. That way I have room for the new pads. And the tool that I'm using is gonna be this right here. You push on this piston all the way in. Now I need 2 hands, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and get back to you. Alright guys, as you can see, I pushed the piston all the way in. There you go. Removed my old brake pads. Nothing left, as you can see. Now before you put the new brake pads on, make sure these pins, they move freely in and out. As you can see, they have to be like this. If they don't, just pull this out, that pin, clean it up, wipe it off, and then use some grease on it, put it back on. Now I'm gonna use this brake lubricant, which is grease, to put it right over here on the new pads, over here, over there, before you put them on, so they can slide in and out easy. So I'm gonna go ahead and install my brake pads. It's very easy. I mean, let me show you. This is the old one. I mean, all you gotta do, show you, put that right there, and then the top one goes in here and push it in. It has to look like that. That's all you gotta do. Alright, I'm gonna need 2 hands to do that. I'll get back to you. Alright. This is the new brake pads. And this one that got the lip like that, because the other side has a sensor, always on the inside, the other one on the outside. And as you can see, I don't have the sensor over here, and I don't have to replace the sensor. If you guys have any questions about the sensor, brake sensor, let me know and I'll help you out. So all you gotta do now, right now, just put everything back as you took it off. So I'm gonna install this back. Alright, just like it was. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna need 2 hands, so all you gotta do is just line it up, put your bolts back on, make sure they're tight, and install your caliper.